Do you believe that blockchain technology will escalate in the future? If so, you will undoubtedly need mechanisms, bridges, and processes to move your data between various blockchain networks. After all, the world runs on networking and information sharing. That's exactly what the AION network provides in the blockchain-driven world. But what is AION exactly, and is it a good investment? AION, the cryptocurrency behind the Open Application Network, focuses on bridging the gap between other blockchains, acting as the fuel for these transactions. AION Network supports custom blockchain structures and provides a trustless mechanism for cross-chain interoperability. It passes value, logic, and liquid assets among the network users where transactions take place without involving intermediaries. The first dedicated public enterprise AION network is known as AION 1. This best-in-class third-generation blockchain demonstrates the next level of security and crypto-economic motivational incentives in the crypto space. Who is behind the AION project? The AION core team comprises talent from all over the world. The core team is basically based in Toronto, with an additional talent pool from the UK, Shanghai, and Barbados. The whole team came together to solve the problem of how blockchains talk to each other. Before working on AION, the founders were working on the Delito blockchain division. Initially, the company was founded as Nuco Global, but it changed its name to AION Foundation in 2018. The CEO of AION is Matthew Spoke. Along with that, he is also a board member of Ethereum Enterprise Alliance and Blockchain Interoperability Alliance. The Aeon team has an impressive background and experience in blockchain technology and marketing, thus increasing their likelihood of success. What does Aeon do? Cryptocurrency is promoted as a replacement for the world's financial infrastructure. However, if this scenario comes true, it may create thousands of independent and isolated blockchains. Communication and transfers between these networks are unlocking not only a banking replacement, but a replacement for the software infrastructure that currently runs finance. The nonprofit Aeon Foundation wants to capture whatever markets it can with an open-ended system that connects to anything. Yet, it's far from the only blockchain project attempting to accomplish this feat. Even early networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum have interconnectivity projects in the works. Aeon will need a solid platform, world-class support, and enterprise partners with deep pockets for success. To determine whether the Aeon network has the chops necessary to accomplish its goals, let's start with the performance of the Aeon token on the cryptocurrency market. The mainstream adoption of blockchain technology demands interoperability. Blockchain networks must be able to communicate with legacy systems, such as financial institutions, to succeed. Unfortunately, as of now, communication between the cryosphere and legacy world is challenging. Different crypto coins such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, Zcash, etc. can't communicate with one another. Bitcoin is challenging to know what's going on in the Litecoin network and vice versa. Though crypto exchanges provide a portal between digital currencies, there is still a problem. The issue is crypto exchanges are not decentralized. These are highly vulnerable to security breaches, such as hacking and blackout for long periods. Aeon blockchain aims to bolster interoperability and security in the crypto world. It provides a reliable solution for scalability, safety, and interoperability issues to both private and public blockchains. Now let's take a deeper look at the Aeon crypto. While the Aeon project is known to be about interoperability at its core, the development team is also working behind the scenes to ensure that the root chain of Aeon is leveraged. The Aeon platform has massive potential to execute smart contracts and run dApps of all kinds. The platform already has an abundance of tools that have been created for developers to create new dApps on the Aeon chain. In addition to running cross-chain dApps, monetizing interchain bridges, and creating new blockchain platforms, the Aeon token becomes the fuel to secure the entire network. These tools have given developers the ability to deploy smart contracts and migrate existing Ethereum dApps to the Aeon root chain. This migration can take place in just 5 minutes, making it quick and straightforward to port an Ethereum dApp to the Aeon root chain. The Aeon Fast VM, released to the main network in early June 2019, is a modified version of the Ethereum virtual machine. The difference between the two is that the Aeon Fast VM is lightweight and performant and leveraging specific attributes of the Java virtual machine. This means Aeon not only supports applications written in Solidity, but it also supports applications written in Java, which opens development to a vast pool of existing Java developers. Aeon is, in effect, a blockchain network that enables a series of different chains to interact and communicate with each other. It does this in 3 different ways. First is the ability to federate, which means it can transfer data between itself and Ethereum. Second, Aeon scales, which means it can, in the words of the white paper, provide fast transaction processing and increased data capacity to all AION blockchains. The third is the spoke system. This means that AION's users can create their own blockchains with their separate governance, consensus mechanisms, issuance, and methods of participation, while linking up with the main AION chain and thus with other users the ability to transfer data between blockchains. AION is basically like a crypto exchange, but it is decentralized, thus eliminating all risks associated with one. Moreover, it works in a bi-directional way and is extremely fast. Users can deploy smart contracts and migrate existing decentralized apps or dApps from Ethereum to the AION chain in less than 5 minutes. The AION Virtual Machine, or AVM, is built similar to the EVM or Ethereum Virtual Machine, but what differentiates it is that AVM is very lightweight and much faster than EVM. AVM also has attributes of the Java Virtual Machine. Thus, developers can code both in Web3 language and in Java. Indeed, this opens up the AVM to a wide pool of Java developers. The AVM also enables applications to function across different blockchains with improved performance and scalability. The AION ecosystem has flexibility and allows the blockchain to be customized. Developers can include different consensus protocols and virtual machines. Additionally, we can do this without losing interoperability with other blockchains. As AION is a permissionless blockchain, anyone can run an AION node, and it is also possible for anyone to mine AION. Currently, over 2,000 miners are helping to secure the AION network, and as the network grows, the number of miners is also expected to grow. Community involvement and contributions are encouraged by the AION development team, which makes the AION Telegram and Discord channels quite active. The Telegram channel is particularly active with over 32,000 members, while the Discord channel has nearly 5,000 members. In addition to sharing ideas on Telegram and Discord, developers can also submit AION improvement proposals. Developers are further incentivized through the use of bounties and grants. AION social networks are also quite popular. The Facebook page has over 85,000 followers, and such a large number of followers on Facebook is unusual for blockchain projects. They also have over 67,500 Twitter followers and a blog updated regularly. And on Reddit, which tends to be the most popular social media hangout for blockchain enthusiasts, AION has over 72,000 followers and an active subreddit. Over the past year, AION met all of the milestones they had laid out for their first Kilimanjaro phase of their roadmap. These include some essential releases, including their fast virtual machine and EVM source code implementation. They have also built the token bridge, which will migrate the ERC20 tokens to AION coins. The team is currently busy on their second, or Denali phase. Finally, to reach the summit of blockchain interoperability, they will move on to their Everest phase. It will be interesting to see whether the developers will be able to meet their future milestones to the same degree that they have for their past ones. The evolution of the blockchain ecosystem has been occurring at a breakneck pace, but one thing that's still missing is an effective way to create interoperability between blockchains. AION thinks it has the solution to this and wants to make cross-blockchain transactions and communication a reality. The hub-and-spoke architecture and bridge infrastructure proposed by AION was a unique, unprecedented solution when it was first introduced. What AION provides is a unique solution. To be the go-to solution for blockchain interoperability, AION needs to master it, but it also has some challenges in terms of competitors like Holochain, POA Network, and Cosmos, who are well-funded and as talented as the Aeon team. Without a doubt, it will give a clear pathway for adopting blockchain. Whether Aeon will update its ecosystem and make a name for itself in the future needs to be seen. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on Aeon? Let us know in the comment section below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.